Hello everybody and welcome to a new video. In today's video we once again have to simplify a term. So as always we start by eliminating those brackets. And now let's have a look, what kind of brackets do we have? We have directly in front of the bracket here, we have a multiplication sign. And the second bracket here, we also have a multiplication sign in front of the bracket. So what do we do if this is the case? You probably know that there is the distributive property which we use if we have a multiplication sign in front of the bracket. Because what does the distributive property say? It says that if we have a multiplication sign in front of the bracket, so if there is a variable, let's say a, multiplied by a bracket, we multiply that a with every part inside of the bracket. So a times b plus a times c. Then we get this expression and we do not have the bracket anymore. So this is exactly what we also have here in our exercise. So what we will do here, we have to multiply the a with every part inside, so with the b and also with the minus 2a. Always be careful, there's a minus in front of the 2a, so we also have to take the signs. I would like to highlight the different parts. First part is b and our second part is minus 2a. Always take the sign with it. Okay, so then we can apply the distributive property and we get a times b minus, from this minus, a times 2a. For the second part, we have the same thing. Also be careful with the signs. There isn't only a b, there's a minus b. So we have to take this whole thing and multiply it with every part inside. And the parts here now is a and plus 2b. Okay, so if we do that, what do we get? We get minus b times a minus b times 2b. Okay, so we used, to make it clear from here to here, we used this property, we used the distributive property. What can we do next? If we have a look now at what we have a's and b's as variable and sometimes also a number. So I would like each part here, I would like to resort the variables in the same order. So what I do is I first always put, if there is a number, like here, I put the number, then I put the a's, and then I put the b's. So I will do that now. So we have here a b, which already is in the right order. Then here I resort, I put the 2 first, and then a times a is a square. And then here I change the order, minus a, b. And here I put the number first as well, and b times b is b squared. As you probably know, why are we allowed to resort different terms? There's something like the so-called commutative property, which says exactly what we did. If we have something like a times b, we are allowed to change the order to b times a. And this is what I did from here to here. I used this commutative property. So what do we do now? We can now put the same parts together. So if we have a look at the variables, what do we have? We have ab's, we have a squared, and we have b squared. We can't combine the ab's with the a squared. We only can combine the same parts. So to highlight, what do we have? We have ab's, which we have also here, minus ab. Then we have to part with the a square, and then we have to part with the b square. Let's look here. We have here a times b minus a times b, so we can just throw that away because it's equal to 0. And the rest, we just copy it. We have minus 2a squared minus 2b squared. in my opinion, we can already leave it at this point as of the final result. If you want to, we can still do a little step. We can factorize, because we see here a -2 and here a -2 as well. So in front of the a squared there's a -2, and in front of the b squared there's a -2. So that means we kind of can use the distributive property in a reverse way. We now are on this side. That means that our a from here is now our -2. Like this is the a. Our b from here now would be the a square. And our c from here now would be the b square. And now we have exactly what is here. We have a times b plus a times c, which is the same as a times opening bracket b plus c. So this then can be rewritten as -2 times opening bracket a square plus b square. You can end at this point, or you can still do the factorization and put it into this way. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked the video and if you learned something, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you still have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. And also, if you want to, you can look in the description, because there you can find, as always, what I put in the video, so my notes. And you can also find other videos where I simplify other terms to get a little bit of practice with those kind of exercises. I hope I will see you in one of my other videos. Bye!